Hardwood versus carpet. Best bedroom floors. Choosing the right flooring for your bedroom can transform the space from just another room into a sanctuary of rest. It's about balancing practical needs and personal style, all while considering the long-term impact on your home's value and daily comfort. Whether you prefer carpet's warmth and coziness or hardwood floors' elegance and durability, the flooring you select plays a pivotal role in setting the tone and functionality of your bedroom. Benefits and drawbacks of hardwood floors. Why consider hardwood flooring for your bedroom? When picking the right flooring for your bedroom, hardwood might be the way to go. It brings a touch of elegance and a natural feel to your sleep space and offers a range of benefits that make it an attractive option for many homeowners. From its durability and ease of maintenance to its timeless style, let's explore why hardwood flooring could be the perfect choice for your bedroom. First off, hardwood floors are incredibly durable. Unlike carpet, which can show wear and tear after a few years, hardwood floors can last decades with proper care. This means they're less likely to need replacing anytime soon, making them a smart investment for your home. Plus, if they show signs of age, you can refinish hardwood floors to return their original luster without needing a total replacement. Next, hardwood floors are surprisingly easy to keep clean. A simple sweep or vacuum followed by a light mopping is often all it takes to keep them looking their best. This is particularly advantageous for those who suffer from allergies. Hardwood doesn't trap dust, pet dander, or other allergens like carpet does, making your bedroom a healthier place to rest. Another advantage of hardwood flooring is its timeless appeal. Whether your home is decorated in a modern, minimalist style or you prefer a more traditional look, hardwood floors fit right in. They offer a warm, inviting base that can complement any decor style. Plus, with various wood species, stains, and finishes, you can easily find a look that matches your taste. Benefits and drawbacks of carpet floors. Exploring the charm of carpet flooring for bedrooms. When creating a snug and warm atmosphere in bedrooms, carpet flooring is a top pick for many homeowners. Let's delve into why carpet is such a cozy choice for these personal spaces, enhancing comfort and adding aesthetic appeal without repeating the virtues of hardwood flooring already discussed. First off, carpeting stands out for its exceptional warmth. Unlike more challenging floor types that feel chilly underfoot, especially during colder months, carpet offers a layer of insulation. This intrinsic warmth encourages a comforting start to chilly mornings, making stepping out of bed a more pleasant experience. Its ability to retain heat contributes to a cozier room and can also be kind to your heating bill by adding an extra layer of thermal insulation. Cushioning is another considerable advantage. Carpet flooring provides a soft, padded surface that is kind to your feet. This cushioned feel is particularly desirable in a bedroom where comfort is paramount. Beyond physical comfort, this softness can dampen sound, creating a quieter, more serene sleeping environment. Walking across the room or simply relaxing, the plushness underfoot adds to the overall sense of relaxation and calm. Safety is an often overlooked benefit of carpeting in bedrooms. The slip resistance the carpet offers can be significant in a bedroom setting where you often walk in socks or barefoot. In contrast to more challenging floors, where slips and falls are common, carpet provides a stable grip underfoot, reducing the risk of accidents. This aspect is reassuring for families with young children or older adults, making bedrooms safer retreats. Carpet flooring also brings a vast array of design possibilities into the bedroom. An extensive selection of colors, patterns, and textures makes matching your flooring to the existing bedroom decor easy. Whether you're drawn to soft pastels, rich jewel tones, or neutral shades, there's a carpet to fit every aesthetic desire. These design choices allow you to deeply personalize your sleeping space, making it your cozy haven. Considerations for choosing between hardwood and carpet. Choosing between hardwood and carpet for your bedroom hinges on several key factors, including personal style preference, budget considerations, and room functionality. Both options offer unique benefits, deciding personal preference as much as practicality. Let's navigate the considerations to help you make an informed decision for your space. Personal style and aesthetics, hardwood floors bring a natural, elegant look to a bedroom, complementing a wide range of traditional and modern decor styles. Their sleek appearance can make a room feel more spacious and open. On the other hand, carpet provides a sense of warmth and coziness, making a bedroom feel snug and inviting. With carpets, you can choose from a spectrum of colors and textures to directly influence the room's ambiance according to your taste. Budget and installation. Regarding cost, carpet often has a lower initial price tag than hardwood regarding material and installation. This can appeal to those working within a tight budget or looking to outfit multiple rooms at once. However, it's essential to consider the long-term value, as hardwood floors can last decades with proper care, potentially outweighing the upfront savings of carpet. Room functionality and comfort. Bedrooms are personal retreats, and comfort is key to making these spaces enjoyable. Carpet flooring excels in providing a soft landing for bare feet and can offer insulation against cold, making it a popular choice for cooler climates or basement bedrooms. It's also excellent for creating a quieter space, absorbing sound more effectively than hardwood. Conversely, hardwood floors can be more practical in warmer climates or for those with underfloor heating, maintaining a calm and pleasant underfoot feeling. Health and maintenance. For those with allergies or asthma, hardwood floors may be the better option due to their ease of cleaning and lack of fibers that can trap dust, pet dander, and other allergens. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping can keep hardwood looking pristine. Carpets require more maintenance, including vacuuming and professional cleaning, to maintain their appearance and prevent the accumulation of allergens. Longevity and adaptability. Hardwood floors boast a remarkable lifespan and can be refinished repeatedly to look new again. This adaptability allows you to change the look of your room without replacing the flooring by simply refinishing or adding area rugs for a fresh style. Carpet, while comfortable and warm, typically does not last as long as hardwood and will show wear and tear sooner, necessitating replacement to keep your room looking its best. The choice between hardwood and carpet for your bedroom boils down to what you value most in a flooring option. If longevity, ease of cleaning, and a classic look are your top priorities, hardwood might be the way to go. But if comfort, warmth, and noise reduction hold more weight in your decision-making, carpet could make your bedroom the cozy haven you want. Ultimately, consider what will make your bedroom feel most like home to you. If you are interested to learn more, just visit the link on the caption or visit jdumondor.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.